So guys, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to crash your Wii. So first guys, you're going to want to go into Super Smash Bros. Brawl. And go into training mode. Make yourself King D. Make the CPU Ice Climbers. Then what you're going to do is going to on a destination. Then you're gonna choose the Smash Ball. Hold on. Once you're done getting the Smash Ball, make it to where you have 3 CPUs. Make it to where you can control the CPUs. Okay, now, so with the hold on, I'm gonna have to do this. There's my Wii down there, guys. There's my Wii right here. So put all the CPUs right there in the middle. And what you're gonna do is just now there we go. Hold on. Then use your final smash. And then that's how you crash your Wii. Yeah, it's pretty annoying, guys. I'll turn it up for y'all if you guys want to hear it. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. The Wii. I'm turning it down. That is just way too loud. That is how you crash your Wii, guys. That is how you crash your Wii while playing Smash Bros. Brawl. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's how you crash it while playing Smash Bros. Brawl on the Wii. Yeah. That is just way too loud. Way too loud. Oh God, my ears are gonna hurt. You know what? I think I might as well crash my Wii U in my next video. Yeah, the Wii U. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for today. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video where I crash my Wii U. Bye.